I got my setup here. The, someone would notice that there's been like a air issue with the M1 Lite. Um, um, so it's kind of like if it goes down 50% or more, no changes occur really. It doesn't slow down the exhaust or anything like that. So the aspect of control is not really kind of there. So let's go ahead and see what's going on. I mean, maybe you don't need to have it lower than 50% is what's going on, but there's definitely nothing happening at that time. So let's connect it up. I'm gonna turn the air on and we're gonna see what it's like. We'll start off at 50. Okay, we got it at 100. So drop it down 5. All right, so I went from 45 to 40, no changes. 40 to 35, no change. 30, no change. No change. 20, no change. 15, no change. Yeah. Oh, there's a change there. But it looks like from what, go 40 was that 9 point or 75, 45. Oh, there's a little bit of change there. But when I went from 45 to 40 to 45, gets to 97, drops to 93. I'm dropping. I'm seeing no change. I'm gonna try it again. Maybe if I go here, maybe if we go to 35, 75, no change. Change. Looks like below 45. Okay. Well, I don't know if that's by design or it's supposed to change any lower than 45%. Could be wrong, of course. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, yeah, let me know if there's a real issue.